Normal vaginal pH 4 to 5. The placenta develops from trophoblast. HCG is produced by trophoblast. The average length of the fallopian tube 12 cm. The average length of the fallopian tube 12 cm. Fimbria help in catching ovum. Catching ovum. The main function of the cervix, lubrication. The fetal skull suture important in molding, sagittal. Progesterone is called pregnancy hormone. Progesterone is called pregnancy hormone. Normal menstrual cycle length 21 থেকে 35, 21 থেকে 35 days. Menopause occurs when cycles stop for 12 months. The pelvis most suitable for delivery, gynecoid. The hormone that softens cervix, relaxin. Softens cervix, relaxin. Which cell produce estrogen? Granulosa cells. Granulosa cells. Zona pellucida surrounds ovum. Zona pellucida surrounds ovum. Implantation occurs on which day after fertilization? Day 7. Day 7. The fetal skull bones are separated by sutures. The fetal skull bones are separated by sutures. The ovarian cycle consists of two phases, follicular plus luteal. The uterus weight in non-pregnant state 70 gram. 70 gram. The uterus weight in non-pregnant state 70 gram. Which is not a part of the uterus ampulla. Primary oocyte number at birth 2 million. 2 million. Puberty in girls starts with breast development. Menarche. Menarche is first menstruation. Menarche is first menstruation. The hormone responsible for secondary sexual characteristics in females, estrogen. The hormone responsible for secondary sexual characteristics in females, estrogen.